In the heart of an imperial spectacle, Mayo's sons held their ground as future stewards of an emerging India. Every institution has its own. Mayo wears it on its chest. At its center, a shield bearing the sun of knowledge, the moon of calm reflection, and the bastions of strength. A peacock stands tall above, sword at its feet, the sentinel of India's spirit. Flanked by a scholar and a warrior, the crest unites learning and valor, ancient and modern. Let there be light. Those words were chosen by Lockwood Kipling, a former principal of the Lahore School of Arts and the father of the renowned writer Rudyard Kipling. A witness to India's changing tide. More than a motto, it was a message that even in a world divided by crown and colony, light belonged to everyone.
खाना नहीं खाया है, बच्चे अगर देखोगे तो ये सी क्या बन रहा है। मेन बिल्डिंग में नहीं Mayo 150 है। Oh, the main building. The main building.
Hi everyone, this is music unlimited. I would like to tell everyone, music unlimited as you can get the. Hi everyone, this is music unlimited. I would like to tell everyone, music unlimited as